These Royal Enfields are built to go sideways. A few years ago, Royal Enfield used the Himalayan 411 to introduce flat tracking into India. After the launch of Scram 411 in March 2022, that became the choice of motorcycle. So this bike, the FT411, as you can see, they've changed the wheelbase from what you would find on a stock motorcycle out of the showroom. Apart from the wheel size, they've also changed the rubber, which is the tires on the motorcycle, to a little bit more of a chunkier tire, a knobbier tire, primarily so that we can find traction in situations where there actually is no traction, especially on a dirt flat track. Apart from that, you can also see that there are no front brakes. This also ensures that people do not panic brake, also ensures that you are not using your brakes to turn or to slow down, but you're using the motorcycle, the weight that the motorcycle has to offer, and of course your body posture on the motorcycle. Apart from that, they have also changed over the seat. As you can see, the seat is very thin, very flat. The reason is the transfer of weight is much more easier on a seat like this as compared to a regular seat that has a lot of cushioning on it. The handlebar has also been upgraded to a wider handlebar just so that you can easily maneuver the motorcycle. I have ridden this motorcycle extensively, which also led me to finishing second in the Pune regionals of the Slide School selection. But there is a part of me that is excited primarily because of what the future holds for flat tracking in India. We've seen a Gorilla 450 based flat tracker here, and the promise of better power, better maneuverability, better agility really excites me, and I'm sure everybody that's ridden the FT411 is going to be really excited about the FT450 as well. It's certainly going to make an impact, and it's only going to make a good thing even more better.